Okay, box nerds, today we are going to be opening this little puffer purse, which I just thought was too cute to pass up. They have it in like 30 colors. This is the small beige. Oh my god, it is so cute. Okay, I wasn't sure if it would be cute in person, but it is. It has magnetic closures here. Look at this. Oh my god, this is so cute. And y'all, when I tell you, this is so light. Look at this. Again, this is the small in beige. They did have a large, but I just thought that would look too much like I had a pillow hanging from the side of me. But what I loved about it is you can adjust this strap right here. So you can make it crossbody, shoulder, tote, you know, all of those things. And if you really want to be crazy and you just want to go out and hold it like this, like a little clutch, this is just too cute. So this is what it looks like. That's the front, side, back. And I'm going to style this with a couple of things, but oh my god, this is too cute. And then it has this little zippered pocket right here, and then you have two little separate pockets right there. Great purse for, like, you know how in the fall you're always running around doing errands and your purse can get kind of heavy over time. Well, not with this because it is so light. I am a fan of it, love it. All right, if you guys enjoy short unboxing videos like this, don't forget to click subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.